Exercise 2 on the extra sheet, given the angle XOY of 30 degrees and YOZ of 60 degrees. In part 2, they asked us to draw the prolongation or the extension of OY, which is the semi-line OV, and OU, the extension or the prolongation of OX. Also, in part 3, they asked to find or to calculate the measure of angle UOV. If we see here, UOV is vertically opposite angle to XOY. Since by definition, the semi-line OV is the extension of the side of the angle XOY, and OV in turn is the side of the second angle. Then these two angles are vertically opposite. Then UOV equal 30 degrees. So UOV equal XOY, they are vertically opposite angles, equals to 30 degrees. They asked us to calculate ZOU. ZOU. We see here that XOZ and ZOU are adjacent supplementary angles. Yani, the addition of them, if we add XOZ plus ZOU, equals 180 degrees. XOZ here is right angle. Then we can substitute, instead of XOZ, we can put 90 degrees. Plus ZOU, we are going to find this angle, equals 180, and we find ZOU. Like this, XOZ plus ZOU equal 180, adjacent supplementary angles. Then we substitute here 90 plus ZOU equals 180. ZOU is equal to 90 degrees. Since the unknown here, ZOU, okay, added to 90 degrees, بيعطينا 180 degrees. What is ZOU? It is 90. Since 90 plus 90 equals 180 degrees. Or second method, we can subtract 180 degrees from 90 degrees to get the unknown ZOU. Then we are going to calculate ZOV here, this angle. Okay, from the last part we find that this is a 90 degree angle. Okay, and this angle also vertically opposite to this angle, and it's 30 degrees. So 30 plus 90, it will be the ZOV. So we say that ZOV equals ZOU plus UOV. It's equal to 90 plus 30. It's equal to 120 degrees. The second angle we want to get it's XOV. If you look here, XOV, this angle, we want to find the measure of this angle. Okay, this angle is vertically opposite to this angle, YOU, right? Okay, this angle YOU, it's equal to 90 here. It's equal to ZOU plus ZOY. 90 plus 60. Okay, 90 plus 60 are equal to 150. So 150 degrees here, and since these two angles are vertically, then the angle XOV is 150 degrees. We can write it this way: XOV equals UOY. They are vertically opposite angles. Then XOV equals UOY. UOY is equal to UOZ here, UOZ plus YOZ or ZOY, this angle. We substitute 90 and 60 to get 150 degrees. The last part 4, we have to find adjacent complementary angle and adjacent supplementary angle. XOY, this angle, and YOZ, this angle, are adjacent complementary angles. They are sharing common side, common vertex, and their sum is 90 degrees. And UOV and XOV, so this angle here and this angle here are adjacent supplementary angles. Since they have the measure of 30 and 150, they have the measure of 180 degrees, and they are sharing common side and a common vertex O. than they are adjacent supplementary angles.